So if you need to make 1/4 cup and you just have measuring spoons, so you don't have a 1/4 cup measure, here's how you do it. Before we go into the conversion, you could just grab a stick of butter. Here in the US, if you grab a stick of butter and you look at it, 1, 2, 3, 4, cut it right here. That's 4 tablespoons. That's 1/4 of a cup. So 1/4 of a cup, that's going to be 4 tablespoons. So grab some butter out of the fridge, and that's probably a pretty easy way to do it. Let's do it the math way. So 1 cup equals 16 TBSP, tablespoons. This is just something you remember. We want 1/4 cup. We're going to divide this by 4. 16 divided by 4, that equals 4. 4 times 4 is 16. So 1 cup, 4 tablespoons. And that's what we found before. What about teaspoons, though? So 1 cup is 48 teaspoons. So we want 1/4 of a cup. We just divide this by 4. We end up with 48 divided by 4 is 12. 12 times 4 is 48. So 12 TSP in 1/4 cup. You might be able to see from the relationship here that there are 3 teaspoons in 1 tablespoon. That's how you make 1/4 of a cup with measuring spoons here. This is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.